I'm not laughing anymore, guys. I was laughing until my light started doing it, and it it's never done this. I was laughing at people for the light switches off. I don't know why it's doing this. I don't have LED lights. Just regular ordinary lights. And look. One side went off. Back on. The light switch is off. And I'm not laughing anymore. I was laughing at people because of them. The lights being like that. And I'm not laughing anymore, MrMBB333. And it is 5:22 in the morning. Yeah, I don't know. It's just all stuff weird. Light switch is off. It won't go off now. It came back on. That's what woke me up this morning. Flashing lights. We got fog out there too. But I ain't the fog I'm worried about. I've lived here since 2006. And I've never seen anything like this. Well, I guess it's just going to stay on so I can turn it off. But it is off. I don't know what I'm going to do. Anyway, MrMBB, this one isn't laughing anymore.